Massive Wagwan, this is a easy baked chicken wings recipe. I am using best rest chicken wings that I cut the tips and gonna discard that and any hanging fats. Then I cut between the jummet and the plummet. Now I am washing with the juice of 2 green limes. Normally I would use one, but lime is plentiful in Jamaica right now, so why not use two to get rid of the rawness and the slime or anything like that. Then I'm gonna wash with tap water, drain, and then pat dry. Pat dry is very important to me because I do not like to season my meat or fish or anything like that with water settled at the bottom of the container. So now I am pouring some vegetable oil all over the chicken wings and then salt, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, complete seasoning, Lawry's seasoned salt, no MSG, paprika, and then I use my hand to rub the spices into the chicken wings. So I put a little bit of oil onto the chicken wings to help to keep it moist while in the oven baking. And that is chili pepper, and that is some organic cayenne pepper for eat. Both are for eat. So now I am using my hand again to rub in all the flavors into the chicken wing. So now I am putting a little bit of oil into the container, and this is to prevent the chicken wings from sticking, even though some of them still stick. But yo, yeah man, so I try to space the wings a bit so that the overheat can penetrate all around them. Yeah, so I'm using a second container as well. So I'm gonna bake this into a preheated oven for 40 minutes. A preheated oven at 40 degrees Fahrenheit at 400. I'm gonna bake the chicken wings into a preheated oven that was preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Okay, so now I'm gonna make a sauce to brush the chicken wings. This is totally optional because you can enjoy the chicken wings without the sauce. I'm using some ketchup, hot tomato ketchup, a little bit of white vinegar, and I am also using some, I think that is soya sauce, just to give it a little dark color. And I'm gonna use some Worcestershire sauce, woo, as well. So is the pronunciation for me. Yeah. So gonna give it a good whip. Gonna set it aside until I'm ready to use it. I am also using a little bit of honey, and the honey will give the chicken wings a glossy sheen. 35 minutes into the baking time, I remove the chicken wings from the oven, then flip them, or as we say in Jamaica, turn them, and then brush them with the homemade sauce that I just made, and then flip them again and brush the other side with the sauce. And then I am going to return them to the oven, but this time I'm going to set the oven to broil. And this will crisp up the skin a bit, yeah. But not everyone in Jamaica have that setting on their stove. If your stove do not have broil on it, just return them to the oven and just let them continue to bake for 5 more minutes, because the total baking time should be 40 minutes. They are wings, they're not hard to bake. You don't want to dry them out. You understand? Yeah, man. So that's it. And this is like finger food. I didn't eat it with any rice or anything, just the chicken. Or if you have chips. I mean, other people in the house eat it with chips, but I didn't eat it with chips. I just eat it alone and drink a glass of water. And I'm good to go, man. Yes. This recipe is so simple and so easy that you will probably roll in your eyes right now, but trust and believe there's somebody out there that this recipe will help. So, these wings are so tasty, so delicious. And me fi tell you, yo, it bad, it turn up. Nice. You can taste all the flavors. You understand? None now counteract each other. Them just blending well right. Yeah, man. So you can try this recipe and see for yourself how it turns out. Thanks for watching.